Okay, this is just to show one of the new innovations on this latest design. Over here, this already has a Wi-Fi connection built in, embedded in the chip. But over here we're adding a GPS module with a mini antenna, so that as well as connecting to the network, you can also connect to GPS satellite. And this is a plug-in Bluetooth module, which allows you to connect using your iPhone, which I'm going to demonstrate here. This is an app that you install called Light Blue with a fist. It's a free app you can install from the App Store, and it'll search for peripherals. I've named this one Houchon. I always name my Bluetooth modules Houchon. And once it's connected, you're going to go to the bottom of the page where it says characteristics, and tap that, and you go to the next page. You're going to have to change this from hex. On the upper right corner, just tap hex and change it to UTF-8 string, because that's the protocol we're using to communicate. Then we're ready to write a new value, and right now it's on the clock display. This tube, by the way, has a P31 phosphor, which it's hard to capture it on iPhone video, but it doesn't look like it does. The entire display is being seen in reality. Anyways, on the app, since right now it's on the clock's display, if you want to go to the menu, you can just type a capital M for menu, and that will set it to the menu where, let's say the line is now on Wi-Fi on, and if I want to select that line, I have to type a capital S, and the cursor will move down once every time I do that until I move down to the Wi-Fi line. Let's say I want to change it over to GPS, so I'm going to type a capital C for change. Okay, now it's Wi-Fi off, so I'm going to type that one more time. Change it to Wi-Fi GPS. Now it means it's on GPS, not actually Wi-Fi. And then I'm going to type S for select one more time to make sure it's set in the memory. And then I'm going to type in A to go back to the clock face. And now the time and the date will be extracted from the GPS module as opposed to the Wi-Fi network. Anytime we want to refresh it, or if we want to show the date, type capital D for date. It won't actually have the day on GPS. This is just in the memory. Actually hasn't cleared out yet for Wi-Fi, but it's gonna. It looks like we're not picking up the GPS signal yet, but you can also still use the buttons on the board to manually refresh and pull down new time, or to all the other functions can still be done, the day and the date. Now it's pulled up the correct time, so now it still hasn't got the date. It sometimes takes a couple tries to get the GPS module to pick up the date. I'm trying to refresh it once more. Now it's got today's date. So that's, and when you're connecting with the Bluetooth module, always back out of it. Go back to the screen and close the app, and that way the module doesn't stay connected. The module here, when it's not connected to your phone, it'll be blinking. so then you'll know you've disconnected from it. It's not good to leave your phone connected to it. It can cause it to get messed up. So that's what's going on here. The newest thing, we've got not only a Wi-Fi connection, but you can alternatively select a GPS if you have the GPS module installed. And if you want to do it hands-free or touch-free, you can do it with if you have the Bluetooth module. That's now an option as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.